Hi guys, welcome to the topic discussion about speed in aptitude questions. Speed is the rate of change of distance with respect to time, measuring how fast an object moves or an activity is completed. Its mathematical formula to find the speed is equal to distance divided by time, and the units which are commonly used for measuring speed is meter per second, kilometer per second, miles per hour. There are different types of speed which are calculated. They are average speed, instantaneous speed, uniform speed, relative speed. Now let's try to solve an aptitude question regarding speed. Question: a car travels from A to B at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and returns from B to A at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of the entire trip? Option A 48 km per hour. Option B 50 km per hour. Option C 52 km per hour. Option D 55 km per hour. To calculate the average speed of the entire trip, we need to use the formula of average speed. Average speed is equal to 2 into S1 into S2 divided by S1 plus S2. S1 is the speed from A to B, that is 40 kilometers per hour. S2 is the speed from B to A, that is 60 kilometers per hour. Now we want to insert the values to the formula, that is average speed is equal to 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60, that is 2 into 2400 divided by 100. Average speed is equal to 4800 divided by 100, that is 48 kilometers per hour. So the answer is option A 48 kilometers per hour.